Hi, I'm Susie Egan from Cottage Lake Gardens, and this is another video in our new series on unique and unusual plants that grow well in the Pacific Northwest. Today, we're in the display garden, the central display garden, and we're in a bed that has Trillium albidum, and that's what we'll be talking about today. And in this bed, you can see we've got our western sword fern, and we've got some podophyllums in the background. They're the Asian May-apples. And so this makes a nice little vignette of plants that highlight and feature the Trillium albidum. So Trillium albidum is a white flowered, like the word albidum means, it's Latin for white, like albino. So this is a white flowered trillium. It's also a sessile type trillium. So sessile, there's two classifications, sessile and pedicellate. Sessile means it has no flower stem. And the flower literally sits right on top of the leaves. And the other characteristic of sessile type trilliums is they have mottled leaves or spotted leaves as opposed to straight green leaves. And the mottling can really vary. It can be heavily mottled or lightly mottled. It just depends on the genes that each plant has. So this is a white trillium, and it has sometimes, and this is really cool, a pink base. And I don't know if you can see, but there's actually like pinky purple streaks that come up from the base. And so some of them have that, not all of them, but they're really striking when they do have that. They also have, or sometimes have, a nice, wonderful rose-like fragrance. So these are native to the West Coast. It's a North American Western trillium, and they are native from southwestern Washington down through Oregon, down into California, all the way down to central California. So that's where they're from. Let me think what else. They like moisture, part shade. If you water them while they're actively growing, they'll stay in leaf even longer. Otherwise, they'll eventually go dormant sooner. So these are wonderful plants, easy to grow in the garden, and a little hard to come by, but that you can grow them from seed as well. And we do have some seedlings in here. They look like they're 2-year-old seedlings. They're these heart-shaped ones. You can see some right here. Those are heart-shaped seedlings. That's 2 years old. And these little guys right here with the finger leaves or strap leaves are 2-year-old seedlings. So if you see those in your garden, don't be weeding those out. Those are your baby trilliums. So I hope you are able to get some of these and put some in your garden.